When it comes to precision and ease in cutting glass, having the right tool makes all the difference. Today, we'll be exploring the best glass cutters on the market, designed to help you tackle everything from DIY projects to professional tasks with accuracy. Whether you're working on mosaic art or replacing window panes, these cutters offer reliability and sharp performance. Let's dive in and find out which one stands out. Toyo TC17. The Toyo glass cutter stands out as a reliable choice for precision cutting in glasswork. This cutter features a brass handle that doubles as an oil reservoir, ensuring smooth operation with every cut. The wider carbide wheel allows for clean, accurate cuts, making it ideal for straight-line tasks, especially when paired with an L-square. The replaceable cutter heads ensure longevity, allowing you to maintain performance over time. Designed with both professionals and hobbyists in mind, the Toyo TC17B combines comfort, durability, and functionality in a compact tool. The brass pencil grip gives a secure hold, while the self-oiling mechanism keeps the wheel lubricated for consistent performance. If you're looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use glass cutter, the Toyo TC17B offers excellent value for the price. Toyo Custom-Grip Super Cutter. The Toyo Custom-Grip Super Cutter is a top choice for glass cutting. With a comfortable and adjustable grip handle, it reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The patented TAP wheel technology provides smoother, more efficient cuts, while the self-oiling mechanism ensures the wheel remains lubricated for consistent performance. The durable carbide steel wheel outlasts conventional cutters, offering long-term reliability. The transparent acrylic handle makes it easy to monitor the oil level, and the cutter is available in 6 vibrant colors. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Toyo Custom-Grip Super Cutter delivers precision and comfort in every cut. IMT Pistol Grip. If you're searching for a reliable and high-performance glass cutter, the IMT Pistol Grip Oil Feed Glass Cutter is definitely worth considering. With a sleek, ergonomic design, this tool minimizes wrist fatigue, allowing you to work for longer periods with less strain. The tungsten carbide wheel ensures durability, offering up to 30 times the cutting life compared to other cutters, making it a long-lasting choice for professionals. The self-oiling mechanism provides a smooth, continuous lubrication flow, improving the cutting experience. Plus, the tool comes with 2 replaceable heads to accommodate different glass thicknesses, 2 mm to 12 mm, making it versatile for a variety of projects from stained glass to mosaic work. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the IMT glass cutter delivers excellent precision and efficiency, all at an affordable price. A reliable tool for any glass cutting task. VIGRUE. The VIGRUE glass cutting tool set is a reliable and efficient option for anyone working with glass, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. This heavy-duty tool boasts a replaceable 360-degree rotatable carbide tip cutter head, ensuring precise and smooth cuts every time. The internal oil reservoir allows for consistent lubrication, which enhances the cutter's performance. And with the addition of kerosene, it becomes even sharper. The aluminum alloy handle is ergonomically designed for comfort, reducing hand fatigue during long projects. Plus, it includes a round tapping head for easy glass separation after scoring. With a cutting range of 3 mm to 18 mm, this tool is perfect for mosaics, tiles, mirrors, and stained glass. While it's compact and portable, its robust build ensures longevity and durability. The VIGRUE glass cutting tool set is a solid investment for those looking for a high-quality glass cutting solution. Red Devil 102370. Next up, we're diving into the Red Devil Professional Glass Cutter, an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This cutter is a solid performer with its 120-degree steel wheel, perfect for scoring glass up to 1/4 inch thick. Whether you're working on mirrors, picture frames, or custom glass projects, this tool offers the precision and reliability you need. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort, with a flat surface near the cutting wheel to ensure a secure grip and maximum leverage. Plus, the ball end at the handle's end helps you snap the glass effortlessly after scoring. For DIYers and professionals alike, the Red Devil 102370 is an indispensable tool. It's durable, well-crafted, and the steel wheel ensures smooth, clean cuts every time. If you're looking for an affordable and effective glass cutter, this tool is definitely worth considering. Highly recommended for both home and professional use. Carbide Tungsten Alloy Handle Glass Cutter. The professional Carbide Tungsten Alloy Handle Glass Cutter is a top-tier tool designed for those who need precision and durability. Ideal for cutting thick glass, tiles, and mosaics, this pencil-style cutter offers exceptional performance. With its tungsten carbide cutting wheel, it promises a cutting life of over 12.42 miles, ensuring long-lasting use for any professional or DIY enthusiast. The self-oiling mechanism ensures a smooth and consistent cutting experience by automatically dispensing oil as you apply pressure, keeping the blade lubricated and ready for the next cut. This cutter accommodates materials ranging from 2 mm to 20 mm thick, offering great flexibility for various projects. The ergonomic handle reduces wrist strain, making extended cutting sessions more comfortable. Its compact design adds portability, perfect for professionals on the move. However, it's worth noting that the oil is not included, so you will need to purchase it separately. Overall, this is a highly recommended tool for anyone seeking precision and ease in glass cutting. CCC TEEZY Glass Cutter. The CCC TEEZY glass cutter tool is a must-have for anyone who regularly works with glass or mosaic projects. This tool combines precision and comfort with its ergonomic, pencil-style handle, making it easy to grip and maneuver. Its carbide tip cutter is designed for durability, ensuring you can make over 20,000 meters of cuts with ease. Whether you're cutting glass, mirrors, or tiles, this cutter can handle a range from 2 mm to 20 mm thickness, offering versatility for various projects. The self-oiling system is a standout feature, keeping the cutter lubricated for smoother and more efficient cuts. The included extra blades, screwdriver, and oil dropper provide everything you need to get started. Plus, its lightweight design makes it portable and convenient for on-the-go tasks. Overall, the 300 TEEZY glass cutter tool delivers excellent performance and ease of use, making it an excellent addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit.